Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today I have an awesome new drone to show you guys. This is the Eachine E58 drone. A lot of my subscribers have asked me to review this drone, so I just had to get it for you guys. The Eachine E58 looks just like the DJI Mavic Pro. You've got the Eachine branding and the model is E58. It's a pocket foldable drone, comes with a wide-angle HD camera, has Wi-Fi FPV support, headless mode, altitude hold, can perform flips and rolls, gyro control, and also has LED lights on it. So these were the features of this drone. There's nothing else on the back side. You just have a picture of the drone in folded state. The Eachine E58 comes with a remote control. You can fly it with both the RC and your smartphone. And guys, this drone comes in two models, one with a 480p camera and the other one can shoot in 720p HD. The one I have is the HD model. Okay, let's get started with the unboxing. I want to thank Banggood for sending me this product for review purpose. Let's open the box and check out the drone. Okay, so the Eachine E58 comes like this in the box. The packing looks quite nice. So here it is, the Eachine E58 foldable selfie drone. Holy smokes, this thing looks so similar to the DJI Mavic. Just look at it guys. The design, the detail on it, the build quality, it's really nice. Let's unfold it. It looks so compact when folded. It's like a little brother to my Mavic. This stuff is really cool guys. So this is how beautiful this tiny Mavic looks like. Even the color of the drone is same. It feels really light in the hand, weighs only about 100 grams. Okay, we'll just keep it aside for now and see what else do we get in the box. We have the RC over here. Holy moly, even this looks exactly like the Mavic's controller. But the bottom part doesn't come out on this one. It's completely made of plastic. The build quality looks okay. It has two antennas at the top that can be adjusted like this. It says Emotion Drone on it. Okay, we'll just keep it aside for now. Along with that, we have an extra battery in the box. This is the Fly More combo model. So I got two batteries with this drone. And guys, each battery costs only about 300 rupees. You also have a USB cable for charging these batteries. A screwdriver for opening the battery compartment on the remote control. Few extra propellers in case you damage the original ones that you get with the drone. And you also get propeller guards in the box. These are really useful, especially for beginners. So these were all the items we got in the box. Now let's check out the Eachine E58 drone. It's really compact, very small in size compared to the original Mavic. The build quality is very nice, made of high quality plastic. It also feels lightweight. This is how it looks from the front. It has two headlights over here. And this is the 2 megapixel wide angle HD camera. This camera is also tiltable. You can tilt its angle like this. That's nice. At the top we've got a power button and a battery level indicator, but I guess it's just a dummy one. It says Emotion Drone over here. It also has a tail light at the back. This is how the bottom looks like. Has lots of vents on it to let the heat escape. These are its landing foot pads and it has an antenna over here. Let me show you its battery. The E58 has a 500 mAh lithium polymer battery that easily comes out like this. It's quite big in size. I've got two batteries in the box, one pre-installed in the drone and an extra spare one. Let me just put it back in it. And this drone has an SD card slot over here to save photos and videos on it directly, so I guess the quality will be good. Okay, let me power it on and show you how it looks like. It has lots of LED lights on it. They'll look dazzling during night time. I'm so excited to fly this drone. We'll just keep it over here and first check out the controller. It has lots of buttons and two analog sticks on it. The left one controls the altitude and the right one controls the direction you want the drone to fly. This is left trim, one touch takeoff and land buttons, front and back trims, and this is the right trim. We've got two antennas that are adjustable. And this is how the back looks like. We've got the battery compartment over here. You need to insert 3 AA batteries to power it on. At the bottom it has a phone holder that extends like this. You can place your phone over here. So that was about the remote. Now let me compare and show you how the E58 looks beside the Mavic Pro. We've got the DJI Mavic on the left and the Eachine E58 on the right. There's a huge difference in size, but they look very similar. The design is identical, just the color on the E58 is a bit darker. Let me give you a closer look on both of them. The Eachine E58 looks just like the mini version of the Mavic. Now let me tell you about the app you need to download to fly this drone. First you need to turn on the Wi-Fi and connect to the E58's Wi-Fi network. After that's done, you need to open this app called JYUFO. It's available on both Play Store and App Store. You can download it from there. Let's open it. So this is how the app looks like. Let me just put the drone on the ground and show you the app in detail. Now before you enter the app, make sure to tick the 720p option in the settings because you don't want to shoot videos in low quality. Now let's hit the play button. This is how the interface looks like. You can see a live video from the drone here. The controls are off right now. You need to turn them on by pressing this button. This is the back button, photo button. You can use it to shoot photos. This is the video record, gallery, speed control. You can easily switch between low and max speeds. This is altitude hold, gyro control, interface on off, and more settings. Here you've got reverse mode, headless mode, and path fly. The left virtual stick controls the altitude and the right one controls the direction. It also has this 360-degree flips and rolls button at the center, the lock button, emergency stop, one touch takeoff and one touch to land button. So these were all the app controls. Now let's go out, fly this drone and see how it performs. Okay guys, we're in the outdoors. Let's put the drone on the ground, pair it with the phone and fly with the one touch to take off button. Whoa, that was smooth. As you can see, I've already fixed the propeller guards on it. They're super useful. They protect the drone from crashes, very much necessary for beginners. This drone has altitude hold on it and it seems to be doing well. It's maintaining the same altitude. There's a lot of wind blowing today, but the E58 seems to handle it without any problem. It flies really smooth, doesn't make much sound, it uses coreless motors. Right now it's in the low speed mode. We'll change the speed in a while. Let's see how far it can fly. The company claims it has an RC distance of 100 meters and 40 meters in FPV mode. I could easily fly it up to 80 meters on RC and 40 meters in FPV mode. Had no problems, it was flying really good. Now I've changed the speed to 60% and flying it with the gyro control. It is super fun to fly in this mode guys. The drone is quite stable and there is great control over it. It's flying really high and I'm very much enjoying flying it. The drone is very fast in high speed mode. Just check out how it flies. I'm also shooting some photos and videos. I'll show you them at a later part. The headless mode also works great on it. In case if you guys don't know what headless mode is, it's a special mode where the drone follows your commands no matter in which direction it's facing. So it becomes very easy flying it. The battery life was also good. I was easily getting about 6 to 7 minutes of flight time on a single charge. Plus if you get the Fly More combo, you'll get extra batteries in the package. So even if one dies out, you can just replace the batteries and keep on flying it. That is super awesome, right? And by the way, each battery costs only about 300 rupees. And charging each of these batteries took about 1 hour. Now let me show you a few photo and video samples shot on this drone. These are a few photo samples. The photo quality was actually good considering the price. It shoots photos in 2 megapixels. The quality was okay. It was better than most of the drones I've seen till now in this price range. And this is the video sample shot on the E58. It shoots videos in 720p HD. It has a wide angle lens. I guess this is the first budget drone to use a wide angle lens. The video quality was good, the colors were nice, and the white balance was also perfect. But the only thing is, the frame rate of the video was around 20 frames per second, so the video looks a bit jittery. Just check out this sample. So that was my review on the Eachine E58 foldable pocket drone. It's an amazing drone for the price. The build quality is nice. I love the fact that it looks exactly like the Mavic. It's just a mini version of it. It is very compact, flies great. You'll definitely enjoy flying this drone. The camera quality was also good considering the price, and the battery life was also okay. The basic model with 0.3 megapixel camera costs about 2300 rupees, and the high-end model with HD camera costs 2800 rupees. I'd definitely recommend you guys to get it. It's available on Banggood. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can get it from there. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.